Hey guys, it's Justine, and today we're going to be doing a house tour of my Animal Crossing house. Let me show you the outside. It's been a while since you've actually seen this. I made a video that I never even posted doing a redo of my house, so I'll show you guys what it looked like before. This is what happens. I just dropped everything that I had. There's not even a single bit of space to put anything else. Is there a pizza? What kind of food is in that oven? This is, I don't know. I have no idea. So I haven't even gone into my other room yet. Let's just go in and see what's up. A new fresh room to do whatever I want. I have so much stuff in my storage. And where we're at today, you did see my island tour, and if you didn't already, I'll put a link in the description. You can go check that out and see the rest of my island, but I just love this view, and it's starting to get dark now, so the sun is going down, but we're gonna go check out my house. I'll show you some of the things that I've got going on. I haven't really touched much inside of my house lately, so this is a present for a podcast that I'm doing about Animal Crossing, of course. This is my little house, so we've got a lot of stuff going on here. I mean, I don't even know what's happening anymore. I just started finding cool stuff, and then I just started putting it everywhere. But my main favorite thing is this throwback skull radio. Well, I can't get it because it's on top of the chest, so clearly I just have to hope for the best. Let's change the song first of all. Let's just do a basic, everyday Welcome Horizons. Like since the beginning, this has always just sort of been a living room / bedroom. I do need to do a complete overhaul of my house because every time I got a room, I just kind of started throwing stuff into it. So this was the only one that I really spent a lot of time on. And then we have this little area over here. This was, I don't know, this was like a bathroom / den. I promise you, nothing makes sense here at all. Like, what is happening? I've got a skull floor, the skull wallpaper. I have all of my awards for my Happy Home Academy, my bathroom. Got a nice little lounge area on the fireplace. Yep. Excuse me. I do like this light though. This is cool. Everything looks cooler with the lights off though. Cool. So I accidentally made my island on the southern hemisphere, so I didn't get any of the cherry blossoms. So Jenna made me this wall. This is the DJ set right here in the center of the room. I've got my Animal Crossing Switch over here, if you can see it right there. I love this gears thing. I just got that from a balloon yesterday. This is my little workshop area. I've got my little pink mantis here that, what's his name? Flip? I always forget his name. I don't know. Bug dude comes in here creeping. I just got this too, that knife board. I thought I would put it above my bed because why not? I want it to be realistic to my real home. Got some party decorations there. This is gonna be sort of my shooting area, but now that I have a basement that's not being used, I think I'm gonna move the studio downstairs. I have a couple other lights that I'm gonna add to here. This is the office. I wanna get something cool over here, like maybe another laptop. There's gotta be like another pink laptop somewhere. Close that, you don't wanna see my tools. But yeah, I had this. There's so much stuff that I can do with this. I made this back when Tiger King came out. That feels like a year ago at this point, but it was my Tiger King room. I won this on a fish, what's it called? The fishing tournament. I've got all my soups on. I'm really sure there's my birthday cake that they gave me when the game came out on my birthday when I was quarantined. Make some toast. Cool. I also have a pink fridge now too. I have a lot of pink stuff that I need to update. That's what I'm on the hunt for. I'm on the hunt for all of the items that are pink, and I haven't done any like cataloging events, so I really haven't been able to get a lot of stuff. All of this stuff is what either like my friends have given me or I've got from balloons. So all of this stuff is pretty much over hundreds of hours of shaking trees and just doing dumb things. But to everybody who has given me some things, I'm super grateful. Emily gave me that TV and this phone, and actually I think she gave me this bear as well. I had these other bears. Like that big old bear fell from a freaking balloon one day and I about lost my mind. Here's my little workout area. Can I get in there? I'm not sure if I can because I just put this in today actually. There we are. Here we go. Get out. You're done there. This room is also just kind of thrown together. It was just stuff that I kept getting, so I kept putting it up here. Oh, I can't reach the TV from here, can I? Can't. A mini fridge. No, I'm not going to change in the fridge, but thank you. But this room has a lot of potential for when I get some time to redecorate it. I just need some items. Like I don't have stuff to put. Like all the stuff that I have is just weird things. The basement though, probably my favorite. I think I have some turnips down there. This is where the T-Rex resides. with some extra turnips. Gotta sell these turnips before they spoil. Thought I'd put the crowd back there cheering on. I think this is the swamp flooring. I really like that. That's my house tour. Lots of things, lots of potential, but this is what I've been doing with my time. So that's really it. I wonder if it's dark yet, so you guys can see the nighttime view. Really want to get some cool lights up there though. Okay, it's starting to get dark, but not quite. When it is dark, those all light up. I have like some cool floor lights, so it's all flooded and looks really neat. So that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys want to see more Animal Crossing, let me know. If you would like me to do a live stream, I've been thinking about doing that as well. I will see you guys later. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram because that's probably where I will post if I do decide to do a live stream and where I decide to do it. It will be linked to there. So I'll see you guys later, and that's it. That's the end of the video.